2020, and I just want to start off my first video this year cleansing and cleaning and just getting my life together. I'm going to kind of like set the mood and clean up here, so it's just going to be like a clean with me video. I'm going to make my beautiful bed, and I will link anything, like you guys have questions about anything in this video, I will like try to link it below. But I'm probably not going to talk a lot in this video. I'm just going to basically show you guys what I'm going to be doing, cleaning, changing. So let's go ahead and get this video. I hope you guys are enjoying your 2020 so far. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get this started. This was literally a Christmas gift that I got. We had like a Secret Santa with our family members, so she got me this Starbucks cup. It's really cute. It's kind of like she decorated it, and then it says my name right here, Michaela. Haha. Thank you, Nay. And then she got me these from Victoria's Secret, and these smell bomb as hell. So they're Enchanted Lily. It smells so good. She got me this spray and then some lotion, because you can't never have too much spray and lotion, you know. So now I'm just gonna show you guys me kind of cleaning up this little area over here. It's a mess, you know. Got my makeup. Hi, you see me? Yeah. So I got my makeup and everything right here. So we're just gonna, you know, just watch me clean, and I'm gonna put on some good music. So bye. No. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going to relax and get myself ready for this year. So thanks for coming and cleaning with me in this video, and I hope that this video will. So thanks for coming with me, guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I'll try to link everything in the description box or in the video so that you guys can kind of see where everything is from. But yeah, so I hope you guys to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. I have so many things that I want to do and start and put out and you know, yes, for 2020. So yeah, so thank you guys for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.